Alright, at yung tamo po kining Ohio Samji sa Smuan, Pampanga. And syempre, mag-hi tamo po kayo mga lagong staff na ning Ohio Samji.
Hello po, ako si Badet, mga kabalen, mga ka-Ohio. May-invite ko po kayo lahat dito sa Ohio Samji, located at Lalan Baba, Sumuan. Nung pumbisa kayong mag-relax, yan yung pong Ohio, ma-relax po talaga. So, I'm inviting you, please come and join us. Salamat po.
Hello po, ma'am. Yeah. Hi, sir. Are you celebrating something? Fourth year anniversary. Yeah. How's the food po? Taga saan po sila?
Sandy, Wajaman, Jenny.
Alright, kabalit. That was Patricia May at saka yung magkatawa na.
Who I trusted you, I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can you imagine needing someone so? Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. God, here's everybody. You never let me down. How much we had, I've always been so glad to be with you through the years. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Palakpakan naman! Mga oras na hindi na mababalikan, tinatagpo Nasarado rin mata, baratong nagdaga. Lawenda ka aking matepo, huling ika'y lulugod ka ko. Lawenda ka o Diyo, hanggang atin ka pang tamo. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Kenny na King Samji, Ohio Samji, Maniaman Kenny.